Hi there, welcome back to ET. Now you're watching Midcap Masala with me, Kanishka Sarkar and Ashish Adwaryu. Well, before we get you the management of Shringar, quick look at how the markets are shaping up. We're actually trading close to the day's lowest point at the 25,890 odd level, down more than 120 points right now on the Nifty. If you talk about Nifty small cap index, that's also trading in the red. Mid cap too is trading about 0.6% lower at the 60,800 mark. So yes, pretty low day coming in. Nifty Bank also trading absolutely flat, but with a negative bias. So yes, some relief over there. But otherwise, all of the other major indices, including the broader market indexes, they're all trading in the red with deep cuts, especially the Nifty down about 120 points right now. But let's get in touch with another management that we have lined up for you. Well, Shringar House of Mangalsutra, they've come out with their earnings and it was a strong quarter for them, but volume saw a bit of a dip. But what's the outlook going forward? To discuss more on that, we're now joined by Viraj C Thadeshwar, who's the director and CEO of the company. Hi, Mr. Thadeshwar. Thank you so much for joining us today. Very good morning. Well, Q2 has been very strong for you. All of the matrix seeing growth, but volumes did see a bit of a 10% decline of sorts. So if you could just tell us what happened in the quarter gone by. Was it primarily because of the gold prices?
Yes, definitely. I would say gold prices have played a key role in this. But substantially, if you see the growth in terms of value, we have seen around 27% growth in value, but volume have been a bit of a challenge. But with the sudden increase in the prices, the market tends to have a small pause and to understand the market. But once the understanding is over, it immediately rises up as well. So we are just waiting for, because the season has picked in, the wedding season is going on, and many more festivals are coming up. So we are looking for a better growth in volume also in the coming quarter and future.
Can you quantify, Mr. Thadeshwar, that growth for us, Ashesha, this side, since you are telling that wedding season is expected to be very strong? Can you quantify the volume that you're penciling in this year, this quarter versus same time last year?
So in terms of quantum, I may not be able to give you the exact numbers, but there are a lot of, if you see a lot of weddings coming up, and we have seen in this Diwali season also, which has just passed by. That also gave us a brief idea about how the season suddenly shot up. And if we have seen a good footfall of the clients, and the retailers have also stocked up their inventory, Mangalsutra inventory as well. So looking at that scenario where the retailers are going aggressively ahead and stocking up their inventories is showing us a positive line ahead.
But let's also talk about segments. Just wanted to understand what is the early traction that you're seeing for your new 24K Shuddh HUID Hallmark collection, and how meaningful could this be for the premium category growth?
So definitely, it's a category which is new for the country, new for for India, and there are a lot of sectors where people want for a better investment, a better product, a purer product. So we are seeing a growth in the demand of 24 karat, because it is new for the people, and people are really eyeing on this product because it is something new. Even if the prices are going up, we are seeing a rise in the 24 karat sales as well. So I'm sure people are looking at purity also, and they know the importance of gold, because rather than buying a bullion which is staying inside the lockers, or not just inside the lockers, this is something they can wear and use it as well.
Mr. Thadeshwar, since we are talking about this category, any other subcategory that you're looking to venture into other than this in the coming wedding season?
Yes, in the coming season, we are looking at real diamond Mangalsutras also, and we are in the process of developing a real diamond Mangalsutra range line, which is different from the current market trend, and something new which is coming up very soon.
Right. And which of these categories is seeing the highest traction right now?
In plain Mangalsutra?
Yes. Given the wedding season at hand?
Yes. So I feel there is a rise in trendy designs, trendy Mangalsutras. The hand Mangalsutras are doing very well, very good for day-to-day uses. And for sure, people are now the yellow Mangalsutra, the plain, the traditional ones are in their place. They always have a good demand in the market. But right now, we are also seeing a good demand in the new designs, upcoming trendy designs, which the Gen Z and the new generation is looking forward. So I'm sure the plain, the traditional ones are in their place, but the fancy ones are growing very fast.
All right, and time and again, Mr. Thadeshwar, you have told us that export is a big opportunity for you. If you can tell us what is the expansion plan here, which geographies are you eyeing?
See, right now, but what I the countries which I am right now looking strongly focusing on is UAE, then UK, Singapore, and these countries, because right now UAE is having a good demand, and a lot of our even if you see our share of exports, the highest is in the UAE, and currently we are eyeing more demand from there, and the exports have also grown in the last few months. So I'm sure UAE is a good future market for us right now.
All right, understood. So those are the export markets that you're targeting and eyeing more demand from. Thank you, Mr. Thadeshwar, for joining us today and helping us with that perspective. Best wishes for the future. On that note, we'll
Thanks.
let you go.